Each Lay's potato chip is a wonder in its own right. Crisp, flavorful, and bursting with taste. But how does a tiny chip carry the weight of such an extraordinary journey from the farm to the factory? Let's embark on this adventure together. The story begins with carefully selected, perfect potatoes. They must meet strict standards, uniform, fresh, and flawless. On this journey, there's no room for mistakes. In the factory, cleanliness is non-negotiable. Each potato is cleaned not just with water, but also with advanced optical technology. Unwanted impurities? Eliminated instantly. The industrial blades work at a lightning-fast pace, but with meticulous precision, ensuring each potato slice is the perfect thickness. These slices are then bathed in hot water to remove excess starch, preparing them for their leap into the fryer. Frying isn't just about heat. It's a science controlled by technology to achieve the perfect balance. Golden, crispy, yet delightfully light. Whether it's classic salted, barbecue, or sour cream and onion, each flavor is applied with precision and care. This is what makes Lay's the icon of perfect taste. Nitrogen in every bag ensures the chips stay fresh until you open them. From warehouses to every corner of the globe, Lay's chips are there to accompany your happiest moments. Lay's chips are more than just a snack. They are a masterpiece of innovation and the result of dedicated hands. Each bag of chips is a journey to something truly extraordinary.